For me, the Prototyp week is an experimental workshop on speed. It can be exhausting, but it's very intense and creative as well.
We usually work from different offices, so it's nice to be able to gather in one place and be with each other, learning from each other. I'm based in the Barcelona office, so it's always nice to come to Stockholm, meet everybody, get to know the city, the country, and everything.
This time around, we wanted to address the thing that we have different offices and make them feel closer to each other. So we wanted to kind of connect the offices by having a shared virtual pet. It lives in our offices and it moves around between the offices. And it has motivations which drives it to do different things, such as eating or sleeping or playing.
So for the manifestation, we decided to have some lights spread out around the office to show in which room the pet is currently in. And then for the interaction, we thought it was a good idea to have some QR codes and to make it more interactive, to add some AR. So for example, if we feed the pet, then some food will display on the screen on top of the QR, or if we are playing with the pet, we'll get a mini game to interact with it.
So for the brain service, which is the backend, we couldn't use the more modern hosting alternatives out there, such as Vercel or Netlify. We had to choose more traditional hosting because it has a state and a ticker that over time changes the motivations. And the pet will choose a new goal. So maybe now it's more hungry than sleepy, and it will try to satisfy that motivation. I think we're kind of on the line of where we wanted to go. I think we stuck to the vision.
So we kind of achieved what we wanted to. We were lucky. We were able to work with a really big team, so we could address lots of different problems. And I think that helped us achieve like the lightning and the AR and the thinking of the pet. And yeah, it's really going somewhere.